We've had this Tonka Steel Classics front loader for years now, and it is truly one of the toughest, longest lasting toys my son owns. If you have a kid who loves construction trucks, dirt, rocks, or sandbox play, this thing is built exactly for that. It's made with real steel, so it has that old school Tonka durability that you just don't see in most toys anymore. My son has pushed this thing through mud, over rocks and mulch, and all across the backyard for years. It's been crashed, dropped, filled with rocks, and left outside more times than I can count, and it still works perfectly. The bucket lifts smoothly, the wheels still roll great, and even after all these years, it still looks surprisingly nice and well cared for, which says a lot about the quality. I truly appreciate that it's not a cheap plastic truck that breaks in a week. This is the kind of toy that kids can actually use the way that they want to play. Hard, messy, and outdoors. And it handles it like a champ every single time. If you're looking for a toy that encourages outdoor play, imagination, and hands-on building fun, and actually survives years of rough use, this Tonka Steel Classics front loader has absolutely been worth it for us. It's one of those toys that truly lasts.